It's a new dawn.
It's a new day.
And today, we're gonna ride some twisties. We're gonna do the route that I've done a couple of times here on this channel, and it's called the 1000 Turns. It's gonna be a sweet ride with a lot of bikes. I'm gonna go over the bikes in a moment, and yeah, then we're gonna ride. Last video I said I was gonna reveal my girlfriend's bike, so we're gonna do that now. Drum ruffle, how you say it?
Drum roll.
Drum roll, please. This one. It's the legendary KLE500.
Legendary.
Yeah, I mean, the KLR 650 is obviously the legendary one, but this is a little brother, and yeah, this is the one she picked to ride. It's a second-hand bike, custom wrapped. They did not a great job of wrapping it, but it's from afar it looks good. And yeah, are you happy with the bike?
Yes, I haven't been able to ride it very often, but so far it's great. We're gonna test it now in the 1000 turns.
Yes.
So yeah.
Yeah. I think this bike is the best off-road bike out of all the bikes that we brought today. I'll go over them quickly. So there is my bike, the Honda CB500X, and there's my girlfriend. Here is Laura's bike, the Versys 650, and that piece of shit is not worth mentioning. No, it's Nico's bike, and it's the Ninja 400. So that's the bikes of today. I'm gonna ride them through the twisties. I'm gonna ride in the back so I get a nice view of everybody. Trying to speak to the camera, but these freaking cars are going way too fast. So this is the Francorchamps racing circuit. Pretty cool little stop. Nico, someone who's riding with us, knows this very well, and said like, let's stop here and check it out. And then there's a race going on, so I stopped here once before with my dad to take some photos, but now someone laid this tree right here, so we cannot go there anymore. And I think it's on purpose, because it's not like a fallen tree, it's just a tree that's laid over here. Hello and welcome to the Bright Cooker. Today I'm making some
Would say welcome to my kitchen.
Some wok for the adults right there that make fart noises. Stand there and look pretty for the camera. And... No. You can sit. It's okay. I'll do it. I'm a 5-star chef and you are It was a nice day of riding and we arrived back at our campsite. We're eating and Laura's concerned about the copyright, which is great to have such friends. So how was the day, everybody?
Good. Very good.
It was okay.
Unfortunately we have also Nico here, who is just interrupting everything and being a smart ass. But not so smart, rather. People want to know how your bike is. The KLE500X.
Was fine. I don't know, I cannot really say how it was because I'm not that experienced. So the things that I experienced, I assume that it was just my fault and not the bike's fault. So
Yeah.
I will tell you in I don't know how much time when I have much more experience.
But overall you enjoyed the ride.
Yeah,
okay. Anything to add?
It's okay, enthusiastic.
They remind me of my dad.